Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Porotta shop. Wow, what a nice chicken thigh. Yum. Ah. Porotta making with the chicken. Yummy.
Yummy.
I like Porotta. It's too yummy. Ah. I think it's very long process. Making Porotta is not easy. You're doing so fast. Porotta's making with maida. Maida is not good for her. We can eat once in a month. But I like Porotta. You're doing so faster than us. I think it's almost ready. It can be delicious. Yeah, Porotta's ready to eat. We are going to eat now. This scrambled egg. I like scrambled egg in the ocean and the tomato and salad. Mixing together is good for it can be faster enough. Okay, Bo? Okay, guys? Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye.